Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, you may have seen the Story About Me project, and a little bit further down, we have the Scenic Walk. Now, the project that I'm going to show you kind of combines the two ideas into one. All right, so the project that we're going to take a look at is called Pico Finds a Potion, and it is by Star Platinum Morundo. Okay, so we press the green flag. It says, once there was a... Oh, he was always... I want to be like to drink a potion. Oh, interesting. I don't know about that, and I've seen The Witcher. Might not be a good idea to drink a potion. Played the games, too. Great games. Highly recommend. Oh. What's that? I like the faces. Don't drink random things that you see falling from the sky. I don't recommend. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh, he's changing colors. Uh-oh. Yeah, I guess you're right. He at least did find out. So, the moral of the story, don't drink random potions that fall from the sky from a witch's broom. Anyways, if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment it below so we can take a look at it. And if you want to create a project like this one, check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.